we have fantastic news to share with you from various airlines that are making significant strides in enhancing their Caribbean flight offerings. Welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy, and this is our development series where we discuss developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. Let's get started. WestJet, the renowned Canadian leisure airline, is enhancing its flight offerings to a highly sought-after Caribbean hotspot, Jamaica. This winter, they're unveiling an exciting new route that will link Edmonton to picturesque Montego Bay. The inaugural flight is slated for takeoff on November 12th, promising travelers an extraordinary journey to Jamaica. WestJet's fresh addition to its network will whisk passengers away to Jamaica every Sunday, delivering a weekly dose of tropical splendor. Recently, American Airlines announced that it will launch bi-weekly flights between Miami International Airport and Ian Fleming International Airport. The flights will begin February 2024 using the Embraer 175 aircraft with a 76 passenger capacity. The Ian Fleming International Airport recently underwent major renovations and welcomed its first international commercial flight last year. Southwest Airlines announces a weekly flight from Kansas City, Missouri to Montego Bay Sangster International Airport during the winter season. Marking the beginning of this new chapter, the inaugural flight on October 7th welcomed 114 passengers and a dedicated crew of 6. They were greeted by tourism stakeholders and Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett, who emphasized Jamaica's strong U.S. connectivity with 18 gateways linking us to over 100 cities in the U.S. Starting November 5, 2023, Canada Jetlines will be increasing their flights from Toronto to Montego Bay to twice weekly, with the possibility of even increasing to 3 times per week in the winter season, and depending on a few factors, may even increase weekly flights to 5, with the possibility of even adding Kingston to the list. Now, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Watch this next video if you want to learn more about what's happening in Montego Bay. And stay tuned for more exciting updates and happy travels to all those jetting off to Jamaica. See you next time.